Guess the Man United starting 11, 2008 Champions League final against Chelsea.
Wes Brown.
Yeah.
The goalkeeper is obviously the Dutch one, Van der Sar.
Van der Sar.
Rio Ferdinand.
Yeah.
Vidic.
Yeah.
Left back, Raphael.
No.
Fabio.
No.
Valencia.
No.
Gary Neville.
No.
Paul Scholes.
Yeah.
Michael Carrick.
Yeah.
Darren Fletcher.
No.
Rooney.
Yeah.
Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Giggs.
No.
Berbatov.
No.
Tevez.
Yeah.
Blue for the left back.
Mate, it's so obvious. He's French.
Oh, Patrice Evra.
Mate. Yeah, centre mid. You just got centre mid left.
Nationality?
He is English.
This is so easy, isn't it? Is it really?
Think about the shootout.
I can't remember the shootout. I don't know. I give up.
OH initials. Owen.
Hargreaves.
Owen Hargreaves.
He's so irrelevant though.